What's up with you, YouTube and Facebook and Bing and MSN and Messenger and all them? I'm fixing to get this LED headlight project underway. And this is the first and only time you'll ever see me without a shirt because that sweater was getting to me. Alright, but ain't I so sexy? Yeah. But anyway, on with the project. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is move your beer out of the way. There you go. Move your headlights out of the way, the new ones. And you got to take this cover off, which it's a little more complicated because I got wires going through right there. But there it goes. Alrighty. And it looks like I may actually be able to get them in without taking my headlights out. Hopefully. Well, it's actually over there, but okay. Alright. Let's get her going. Now, if you've never done this before, I'm going to do it from scratch. You take this clip, rotate it that way. Move it back out of the way, if you can here. Well, actually, yeah. And it should slip over that headlight plug, but for some reason it's not. Alright, well, the whole headlight came out. I actually rotated the headlight with the clip. I didn't even realize it. And of course, they don't give you enough slack to do nothing. And I mean nothing, hardly. And the wire is coming from underneath. So, yeah. But I'm going to have to cut it right here. You take a screwdriver, stick it under that, and just pry that off because I'm working one-handed because I ain't ordered my GoPro yet. Alright, as you can see, that's the old one, obviously. And these are the new LEDs. Now this one's still good, so I'm going to hold on to it. And like I said before in my last video, I'm not actually going to be reusing this retainer ring, but I am going to keep it just in case I absolutely have to. So let's see if we can get this thing in there. I'm going to go ahead and plug it up first because they left me exactly this much slack. Alright, that's not a whole hell of a lot. So, alrighty. Back in a minute. Alright, that was easy. I just stuck it in there and rotated it that way with the top toward the passenger side. And I couldn't find my screwdriver right offhand. I know it's probably in the house, but I actually use this to, little bitty wrench to pry that thing up. I'm going to go ahead and put these headlights, since they're still intact. I may have to reuse them, I don't know. When I get done with them, I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the wrapper that the LEDs come out of. Move everything out of the way here. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up when I get my beer out of the way and get this cover back in place. And we'll both see at the same time how much brighter these LEDs are. So y'all bear with me for just a second. Oh. Might want to move that retaining clip too. Alright, get in there. just kind of sit there is all I need you to do for a minute. Alrighty. Well, yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm going to turn the lights on to see if that thing makes any noise. Because it does have a cooling fan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all got to see this. Y'all have got to see this. Love that V8. Holy hell. Alright. In case you can't notice, the right side is 10 times as bright as the left side. And I don't even think I got it on bright. I may. No, I didn't. Now it is. See how yellow? How yellow this side is compared to that side? Oh my fucking God. What's up, neighbor? But yeah, it is just that simple. Okay? Now that's one side. I'm going to go ahead and leave the other side to imagination. But holy hell, that's bright. That is pure white light coming out of there. Alright? I'm going to be able to see the deer before the goddamn deer sees me. Okay? The deer is going to be in the thicket like, what the hell is that? A star going down the road? I'm not running out in front of that. Hell no. But I lied a while ago. Y'all get to see my sexy self again. What's up, guys? Oh, but I'll see y'all later. Y'all take it easy.